Hi, welcome
to Gabriel's Kosher Kitchen.
And what are we making today, Gabriel?
Donuts.
With?
Jelly in the middle.
With jelly in the middle. Let's get started. Okay, ready to crack an egg? Okay, open it up with your fingers. Excellent. Check for, does it look kosher?
Yes.
Put it in the bowl. Okay, egg. Ready, set, and open. How does that one look?
Good.
Okay.
And do it.
Go for it. Okay, Gabriel, now we're going to pour this mixture into this pot. Ready to pour?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Wow. It's like an egg Nile river in the pot.
Look at those muscles. All right, Gabriel, put your hands in the water.
Cold.
It's cold. Balls out of our dough mixture. Make them into little balls, about 2 inches. Okay, a little bowl. Now, do you know how? And we're going to go like this, back and forth and back and forth. And you do that too. Back and forth and back and forth. And now put it down. Perfect. Now, does that look like a donut? This is great. Okay. We lined up. And now we are going to take our little hands. And you're going to make a hole on top of each one. Take your finger. One finger. And let's put a hole in here, a hole in there.
I did it.
We're adding the jelly into the middle of each donut. Great job. Gabriel, what are you doing now?
Putting the sugar on.
Okay. And beautiful.
For 1 hour.
At 375 degrees. Are we ready to put them in the oven?
Yes.
Okay. Gabriel, how do you like your donut that you made for Passover?
Gabriel, this is amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining in Gabriel's Kosher